This is a brand new 2014 Ford Edge. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, speed-sensitive volume controls, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a voice-activated entertainment system, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button. And the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Five Star Ford of Plano is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4400 West Plano Parkway in Plano.